How to make your IP camera work on your website. Complete guide. Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm here to talk about JMV Technologies IP camera service. What does this service do? We take your camera's source link, usually HLS, and use it in our IPC. What do? We create a player for you. We can make a video on camera setup if you're interested. This video shows how to use the player iframe on your site. So, how does it work? I'm now in the player tab. Scrolling down, you'll see some information. There's a source link if you prefer using a third-party player. But what's important for us first is this iframe here. Why? We'll use it to broadcast your player on your website. Here we have some preset formats. For example, I'll choose this one. All I need to do is copy it, then go to the site where I want to insert this video. So I'm on the site, what do? Simply paste that code, and you can already see it playing. So how does this work? This iframe comes pre-configured, and you can use it to make the player work on your site. You can make changes, like here, where it can occupy 100% of the screen in 16:9 format. But when getting it, you can set the data to the format you want. So folks, I hope this helped, and see you next time.